It's a vacuum cleaner. It's a vacuum cleaner. It's a vacuum cleaner.
Yeah, I guess Guy doesn't have much experience around vacuum cleaners. The last time he tried to operate one, this is what happened. Scotty, what the hell did you just do? Oh, sorry, Nicole. Oh man, I broke your. Sorry, baby, I broke your vac cleaner. I'll buy you a new one, darling. What can I say? Damn, Scotty, you just broke Nicole's vacuum cleaner. Good one there, cuck boy. Too much fucking poo acid, yeah. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck you trying to suck there? A golf ball, bro? Yeah. Still flopping around the mats at the gym. Shit.